Good morning students. Today our topic is binomial distribution. First the definition is Bernoulli trials. Suppose one event called success and its complementary event is called failure. The probability of success is P and the probability of failure is Q. P plus Q equal to 1. This is about one trial. If such trials are repeated n times, such trials are called Bernoulli trials. For example, if we toss a coin 6 times. In tossing a coin in a single trial, let us take success as head, failure as tail. The probability of head is 1 by 2. The probability of tail is 1 by 2. So clearly P plus Q equal to 1. So this is of a single trial. If we take that trials for 6 times, this is called Bernoulli trial. These trials are called Bernoulli trials. Next we see Bernoulli's theorem. Suppose there are n Bernoulli trials. Already we discussed Bernoulli trials. Probability of success P, probability of failure Q, P plus Q equal to 1, and number of trials must be n. That is called Bernoulli trials. Then the probability of occurrence of success exactly r times out of n independent trials is NCR P power r Q power n minus r, which means that among n trials the probability of exactly r successes among n trials, the probability of r successes is NCR P power r Q power n minus r. Let us see one example. Already we discussed one example in the above, tossing a coin 6 times. In those 6 times, the probability of occurrence of 4 heads, the probability of occurrence of 4 heads, that is r equal to 4. This r indicates number of successes. So here 4 heads means number of successes, r value 4. So by the Bernoulli's theorem, the probability of r equal to 4 is 6c4. P means 1 by 2 power 4. Q is 1 by 2 power 6 minus 4. So this is the probability of occurrence of 4 heads by using Bernoulli's theorem. Now let us know about binomial distribution. A random variable X has binomial distribution if it assumes only non-negative values and its probability density function is defined by NCR P power r Q power n minus r. This is the value, this is the term in binomial expansion, so it is called binomial distribution, and its conditions are 4 conditions. The first one is trials must be fixed number of times under identical conditions. That is, the number of trials must be n, fixed number of times. Second condition, there must be only 2 possible outcomes, which are success and failure. The probability of success must be constant for each trial. That means it should not change for trial to trial. For each trial, in each trial, probability of success must be constant. The trials are independent. That means the trials should not depend on the other trial. One trial should not depend on the previous trial. Such trials are called independent trials. So these are the 4 conditions of binomial distribution. Here already we see that probability of r successes is NCR P power r Q power n minus r. Similarly, the probability of at least one success is given by probability of r greater than or equal to 1, which is at least one success. R indicates number of successes. So at least 1 means r greater than or equal to 1, which we can calculate by 1 minus probability of r equal to 0. So probability of r equal to 0 means number of successes 0. That means